Hi, Tony here from Bathroom Spare Parts. Today we're looking at the Splash Affinity Fill Valve for low wall hung ODE toilet frame, EB1870. This is another very easy one to deal with. You can just see in the end it's got a flow restrictor in there. That doesn't matter if you need it or you don't need it. Obviously if it doesn't affect the diaphragm removal. This is just the normal, as you can see, anti-clockwise. Pull it out. And there it is. There's the washer in there. Again, goes back. Simple as that.